Welcome back, everyone. Today I'll show you how to create a simple program in Python that generates random passwords. Let's jump right into the code. To begin, we import the random and string modules. Random helps us generate random numbers, while string provides various string-related operations. Next, we define the generate_random_password function, which takes a parameter called length. This parameter determines the length of the generated password. We create a string variable called characters that holds all the possible characters for our password. We include lowercase and uppercase letters, digits, and some special characters. Inside a loop that runs length times, we randomly select a character from characters using random.choice and append it to the password variable. After the loop, we return the generated password. Outside the function, we call it with the desired length to generate a random password and store it in new_password. To display the generated password, we simply print new_password. And there you have it, a simple Python program that generates random passwords. By combining the random and string modules, we can create secure passwords with a custom length and character set. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions, please let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Python tutorials. Happy coding!